The world's most beautiful beaches line the southern edge of the Florida Panhandle. The waves and white sand attract millions to our coastlines and countless dollars to resorts and business owners. But many who rely on work in this tourist industry have little to live on, sometimes even less when it comes to their health care. The lack of affordable health care on the Panhandle in 2001 was a major concern for health leaders with a heart. After 9/11, local leaders came together under the direction of Mike Hill and applied for a federal grant. The grant was designed to hire doctors and open clinics in rural areas to prepare for future disasters. This led to the opening of the first free 1,500 square foot medical clinic in Panama City, Florida. The following year, these leaders founded a 501c3 nonprofit called PanCare of Florida, short for Panhandle Care. In 2005, PanCare was designated a federally qualified health center, and that first medical clinic moved to a larger location in Panama City, which nearly doubled its size and services. The original location became PanCare's new dental clinic. It too has expanded and exists at the same location. PanCare opened the few medical and dental facilities which accepted Medicaid, and the only ones where services were rendered on a sliding scale to those without any insurance. The demand for more clinics grew rapidly to other areas of the Panhandle. In 2009, PanCare opened its first Walton County clinic in Santa Rosa Beach with more federal grants, and later moved that facility in 2011 10 miles north to Freeport. This is where PanCare combined health and dental services under one roof. Former Governor and presidential candidate Bob Graham joined PanCare's leaders in dedicating the new community health center.
The citizens of this wonderful community.
It was named for his grandfather, who once practiced in this rural community. That same year, members of the Muskogee Nation of Florida offered PanCare a piece of their land in nearby Bruce for a clinic to serve all people of that community. The Florida Blue Foundation gave $100,000 to PanCare to help make that medical clinic a reality. U.S. Congressman Jeff Miller was part of the dedication.
I love to come home from Washington for reasons that I look out and I see today. Real faces of real people.
Hundreds of tribe members celebrated that day with dancing alongside a community that came together for a day of family fun. PanCare of Florida's unique low-cost services made PanCare popular in rural areas. Demand for its services pressured leaders to acquire a 40-foot medical and dental bus. The new Clinic on Wheels makes it possible for PanCare to reach into rural regions where dental and medical services are non-existent. This mobile service will continue now that PanCare has recently acquired 2 additional mobile medical units, which will soon be on our rural roads. In 2013 and 14, PanCare opened 4 more clinics in 4 additional counties. These federally qualified community health centers are located in Calhoun County, Holmes County, Liberty County, and Washington County. PanCare services now go beyond opening medical and dental clinics. It actually empowers people with information they seek to improve the quality of their lives. For instance, PanCare teamed up with child star Jerry Mathers of Leave It to Beaver in early 2014 and orchestrated a free conference for the general public about diabetes.
And it does take a lot of work. I have to figure out when I can eat, how much I can eat. I don't snack. I don't eat a lot of candies and sugars and treats.
The event not only received broad media coverage,
Channel 7's A Mile West tells us, Mathers says it's about a healthy lifestyle habit.
But it provided much-needed information to diabetics and their caregivers. It also bonded PanCare's medical teams with endocrinologists and community specialists to further enhance PanCare's patient care.
Most of my type 2 diabetics, the classic person that I see is I took metformin, then I had to take glyburide.
Another way PanCare empowers the public is through the availability of free health and social service resource directories. These directories are currently available in Walton County and are being revised for residents in all counties where PanCare facilities are located. PanCare provides free mental health counseling to patients at its Panama City Medical Clinic and is expanding their behavioral health services through a federal grant.
Have you heard about the new healthcare.gov?
PanCare also hires community health workers and certified application counselors to assist Panhandle consumers with enrollment into affordable health insurance plans. PanCare also offers free blood sugar screenings and blood pressure checks at every possible festival and fair staff can attend, along with entertaining ways to present health and dental messages at events like the Florida Chautauqua Assembly.
The PanCare bus. Are you familiar with those guys? When you need a little extra assistance in medical or dental, if you don't have quite enough insurance, visit our friends over at PanCare.
At this 2013 event, PanCare staff was honored to welcome a visit by former First Lady Rosalynn Carter. One of PanCare's most coveted and celebrated community programs is Stand Up for Veterans Day. This is where PanCare's medical and dental clinics in Bay and Walton counties are open free of charge for a day to any veteran who honorably served in the United States military, whether they're a patient of ours or not. PanCare strives to make resources available to the general public, whether at its clinics, festivals with information booths, fairs, bluegrass gatherings, or events for kids. The leaders and staff of PanCare feel they have a responsibility to the community, that is, to provide affordable health and dental care and to empower patients with critical information they need to improve the quality of their lives.